In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract multiple web pages using Google Chrome Web Scraper extension. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can go from installing the tool to reviewing your data in a clean spreadsheet without any confusion. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome. It's best to have the browser up to date so extensions run smoothly and you avoid unexpected errors. If Chrome prompts you to update, allow it to relaunch before moving on. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension called Easy Scraper. You'll recognize it by its focus on capturing data from web pages and exporting it to a spreadsheet. Click Add to Chrome, confirm the permissions, and wait a moment for the install to complete. For quick access, click the puzzle icon in the toolbar and pin Easy Scraper so its button is always visible. Now click the extension. It opens on top of your current page and highlights the content it can capture. Use the on-screen options to tell it what information you want, such as titles, links, prices, or other repeated elements. If you're working across multiple pages, look for the extension's pagination or multiple URL options. This is where you can include additional pages, either by letting the extension follow next buttons or by supplying more page addresses, so the tool collects the same fields consistently from each page. When you're satisfied with the preview, choose the Export option. Easy Scraper will compile the captured data into an Excel file and begin the download. Once the file is saved, open the Excel file to confirm everything looks right. You should see neatly organized columns, one row per item, and consistent headers. If you notice gaps or extra columns, adjust your selection in the extension and export again until the output matches what you need. When you're happy, save your spreadsheet to a safe location so you have a clean copy to work from. A few quick tips as you work. Structured pages produce the best results, so try to scrape lists or grids that repeat the same type of content. If the download doesn't start, reload the page and click the extension again. And always use scraping responsibly. Respect site terms and avoid overloading pages with rapid requests. That's it. Open Chrome, download and add the Easy Scraper extension, click the extension to configure what you want, then export, download, and open the Excel file to review your data. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to extract multiple web pages quickly and cleanly.